on the BMW, we will be installing these LCI LED tail lights. Now would you look at these look like little rubies. They're so nice. Look at that. And we also have the trunk ones as well. It also comes with these. I believe these are some sort of resistors, I'm gonna say. Enough of me talking, let's get these bad boys on. First thing you're gonna want to do is pop the trunk. And after popping the trunk, we go ahead and have access to the tail lights. And this one is just 3 8mm, and the trunk one, we have to take off the cover off. Tail light is out. Let's go ahead and get that bad boy in. So we got one tail light in, and just look at the difference. This is kind of like a jumper harness. So where the original connection of the tail light goes gonna connect here, and then it's gonna jump to the new tail light right here. And then this is kind of like a resistor box, I'm gonna believe so. And this, you pretty much just double side tape it somewhere where it's not in the way. I don't know if this heats up, so just keep a note of that. Okay, so both tail lights are on now, so now go ahead and take off this panel so I can access the 2 trunk lights. So tail lights and trunk lights are done, and this is the final result. This thing is a game changer. This will give the car a whole new look in the rear. Just look at that. So nice.